Hello everyone! Dito Lola Nyong Gala. Oh, hiking naman tayo. Short hike lang tayo. Short hike. Dito tayo sa canyon. Sa canyon ang Lola niya. Canyon view. Sana makabili na yung 360 na camera. Ayan. Papawisan na yung Lola nyo. Para kapag pawis-pawis naman tayo. Dito tayo sa hiking trail. Ayan. So that's better. If you buy yourself, it's better. No one can say, oh, okay, I don't want to go there. I don't want to wake up early. I don't want to walk. I don't eat those. I don't like that. I don't like those. So, it's better by yourself. Is it not beautiful? We're just gonna walk one loop, walk, one loop hiking. Susi ko. See, that's good. Early in the morning, sweat. So my high blood pressure's gone. Everything's normal. No diabetes, no high blood pressure. My liver's fine. Ooh, kidney's fine. Cool. So, I'm not taking high blood medication anymore. No cholesterol medication anymore. So, I'll just continue doing this. Hiking, camping. Yeah, no stress. Stress-free. Living in the van. Doing van life is awesome. You know? What's that? It's a poop. I thought that was a... They have a black bear over here. Black bear. Mountain lion. Rattlesnake. It's in here. What else? Owl. A lot of quail. Different kind of birds. Snakes. They have some non-poisonous snake. And they have rattlesnake. Don't miss the rattlesnake because it's gonna bite you. Scorpion, a lot of frogs in here. There's a lot of kids come over here for field trip. So see the view. See, look at that mountain. This is canyon view. I sweat a lot already. So by the way, if you guys come to White Water Reserve, there's no signal here. So no signal. It's the good thing, nobody could call you. No internet unless you have a Starlink. So that's my new project. Gonna get some Starlink, solar and Starlink. I have my power bank already. I see the lizard. It just hide. So all I need is I have my refrigerator. I have my solar. Power bank. So I need solar and Starlink. That's I need for my van. So I buy my stuff, living in the van, buying little one at a time. But people said being homeless is not good. Some people said, oh yeah, most people, they say van life is really good. But they don't tell the bad situation. Well, the bad situation, like they said they don't know where you park, if your car broke down. Well, why you gonna travel that far if you know that your van or your vehicle is really old, you know that it's gonna break down along the road. So why you gonna go travel that far? So if you're gonna do van life that you have an old vehicle, just stay around close to your area. Don't travel like all over the United States and then your cars broke down. Of course, that's the hard part, wear and tear. But if you have a brand new vehicle, you could travel, you could cross country, no problem. My car is old and I've been living in my vehicle for 5 years and I'm enjoying it. That's why I said it's stress free. I'm not paying rent, not paying utilities, no waters to pay. No, I buy water, but not that much. Like if I go over here on the preserve, they have free water. So that's really good. Well, some people said, oh, they don't tell where you sleep, where you shower. Well, common sense. If you wanna go camping, if you're living in the van, go camping. You have a shower there. Or you have to member in the gym, so you could shower anytime. Planet Fitness is the best sources for the gym because you could use the Planet Fitness all the way to Canada as long as you pay $25 a month. That's I do. Wherever I go far away from home, I go to Planet Fitness and shower. Or the gas station. Some gas station you could shower for $10 or $15, I think. That's my shoelace. I need to tie my shoelace. Anyway, I'll tie my shoelace first. So anyway, yeah. Sweat. Laglag pawis. Whew. I really sweat. See? We're gonna climb in here. This is the park ranger did. We're gonna climb here. Woo-wee! Damn. The river is still on the other side. Still far away. Whew. There we go. We made it to the river. It's a good hike. See, I have a lot of sweat. Oh, it's nice over here. It's nice to go swimming in here. I should bring my shower stuff and shower over here. You know? Take a bath over here. Look at that. Maghiwalay tayo.